Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get lunar blossoms. These unique items are central to the current in-game celebration, offering exclusive rewards. The only way to acquire them is by diligently completing specific daily event quests. Each day presents new opportunities to gather these precious blossoms, ensuring you stay engaged with the event. To begin, navigate to your game's event tab, where you will find a list of daily quests. These tasks are designed to be straightforward, often involving common activities like defeating a certain number of foes or collecting specific resources. Successfully completing all listed daily quests for that day is the sole method to earn one lunar blossom. To maximize your collection, it is crucial to log in and complete your daily quests every single day throughout the event period. Each 24-hour cycle provides a unique opportunity to earn one additional lunar blossom. Over the event's duration, a total of 14 blossoms can be acquired, so consistent participation is key to gathering them all. Once you have diligently collected your lunar blossoms, head over to the dedicated event shop. Here, you can exchange your hard-earned blossoms for a variety of exclusive rewards, ranging from unique cosmetic items to powerful in-game gear. Remember, the more blossoms you collect, the more valuable items you can unlock, enhancing your overall game experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.